All right, in this video, we're going to be showing you how to go in and add modules and videos to Inspire360. So in Inspire360, once you create a course, what you're going to see is this ability to create a new module to add to the course. So you want to scroll down and go ahead and click on that. And you're going to see that you can give your module a title. All right, and this is what's going to appear kind of on the left-hand drop-down menu of your course. So you could say introduction, you could say, videos, you could say PDF or whatever your first kind of module is. The module title goes on the left, and then you can click here to add your content on the right side. I'm going to go ahead and copy the name of the title that I want to add. But you can, of course, title your videos or course content however you like. And press click to add content. And here you can see in Inspire360, you have the ability to add any of these. We're going to be clicking on video, and we're going to go ahead and put in our video title. Now, this is going to show up on the left-hand side under that module title. So there'll be a subfolder with this title, and then we can go ahead and click to browse and upload whatever video we want to. In this case, we are on week 4, so we're going to upload that. The cool thing about Inspire360 is it is going to automatically, once this video file uploads, it's going to automatically save. So there is no kind of save button anywhere on this screen. And once this is uploaded, we can navigate back to the course and continue adding videos. Some additional settings here. We can put this, as 0, like the required viewing percentage. That is going to change all of the videos so that you don't actually need to watch the whole thing to move on to the next video. So in this case, it's a workout program. We want people to be able to just watch the exercises they want to and avoid the other ones. So we don't want, a required viewing percentage. All right, as you can see, this is almost fully uploaded. There we go. And so we get this check mark at the top. This video is added to the course, and we can go ahead and navigate back to the course, and you'll be able to see that now that foot and ankle is kind of showing up. We can also just take a preview of what it looks like to be enrolled in this course. It's being processed, but you'll see it here. So hopefully you enjoyed. We're going to be going through quick tutorials on building out this course in Inspire360 so that you guys can do it for yourselves, and we can give this to our team, and we can keep building out courses on our own. Thanks for watching.